kangkong! Anong pwedeng gawin sa kangkong? Pwede tayong mag-chips, di ba? Kangkong chips! Okay, tara! Let's go and dive in. Okay, since we're going to make our kangkong chips, let's make the batter first. That's one cup of all-purpose flour and 1/2 cornstarch. There you go. There you go. Let's put in half a teaspoon of salt, and then let's put in our cumin, and then let's put our pepper. Okay, let's mix all our dry ingredients. Mix na natin yung mga dry ingredients natin before we put in our wet ingredients. So for the water, we're going to put 1 cup water plus 1 egg. So unahin po muna natin yung egg. 1 piece of egg. Okay, wait lang. Ito na yung ating egg. 1 whole egg. Then mix lang natin siya. And we'll put our water next. Our 1 cup of water. Unti-unti. Okay, unti-unti na. Wait lang. Okay na guys, ito yung ating batter. So, wala na pong clumps. Talagang blended na siya. Pero nakikita nyo po may mga itim-itim siya. Those are the black pepper. So, we're going to dip our kangkong leaves. Yung malalaking ganito, yung ating ginamit. I-dip lang natin siya dyan. Back to back, and then ang gagawin po natin, wow. Okay, ito na po, no? Patulo-tuluin natin siya. Okay, and then we have here our rice flour na okay, since we don't have, para ma-coat natin siya. So yung coating natin is the rice flour. So parang dry na rin siya, di ba? Okay, so salansan lang natin siya and then get ready for frying. Okay, lahat ng leaves, itong gagawin natin. Okay, so we preheated our oil so that we can deep fry our kangkong leaves. So, para maging kangkong chips siya. Okay, ayan, medyo mainit-init na. Dapat yung leaves niya ay the leaves must be naka-open. Ayan, naka-open po dapat. Naka-open ang ating mga leaves. Okay, and then ipa-fry natin hanggang golden brown. Until golden brown. Okay, yan. So, dapat hindi crowded, no? Yung ating kangkong leaves for our kangkong chips. Ayan na, medyo nagba-brown-brown na siya. Nagba-brown-brown na siya, guys. So, 1. And then, yan. Oo, mas maganda ito pagka talagang cassava flour ang gagamitin next time. Cassava flour po ang gagamitin ko. Okay. I will let it cool for a while. Itingnan ko yung taste niya kung masarap ba o hindi. Try na. Tinatry na natin, no? Wala akong so that this will be dripping. Ano tawag doon? Para dapat meron tayong rack. We need to have a rack so that yung ating o kaya lagyan natin ng paper towels paper towels needed para yung ating kangkong chips will be dried. Okay, ayan o. Isa pa. Ito yung una. So, ito try natin kung crunchy ba. Cassava starch talaga, guys, ang ating gagamitin para maging crunchy siya. Oh, medyo nag-brownish. Ang ganda talaga kung cassava ang gamit natin dito. I-open pa natin yan. Okay. So, lahat, ilulublod natin yan. I-deep fry natin lahat ng ating ready. Okay. Okay, ayan na guys. Mag-taste test na tayo. Taste test. Tingnan natin kung crunchy. Narinig nyo? Par yung ating kangkong chips na iluto na. Wow na wow! Ayan na. Tingnan niyo po. So crispy. That is our mayo dip. Ayan. Ayan. Dami na nating kangkong chips. Meron dito. Meron pa tayo here. Here. Ayan. At nakakain na tayo ng marami. Ayan.